Cool. That's why I do for Christmas, dog.
Yo, we get the iPhone X, you know?
Yo.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yo.
Yeah, man. Really?
Like it 100,000 from my boss.
What? At you?
100,000.
But me nearly dead.
That mean I get no for my Christmas. That chairman even know. That mean I get for my Christmas no you.
A lie.
Nobody now come. No man I give for my Christmas, dog.
A lie.
No man I give. Man vex no dog. But damn, I shut up this right here.
Alright, go on. Do your thing.
I shut up this, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you did that, whenever I get 100,000 and an iPhone and me can get nothing that. I mean, how far do this? Power juice, no more than 2 sip, net rate 675 mil. No more than 2 sip. So what happened to me now?
Mama, I'm telling you what, man.
Bamba, I'm telling a Prince. Bamba, I'm telling a Quincy. At you? Bamba.
Hey, come here, power man. What we can? iPhone X.
Yo. Yo, Mario, come here, piano.
Bossy.
Yo,
You said me 100,000 come. So, you know, see me away upon the car tomorrow Christmas Eve, do you want to buy some clothes today, no? So I'm going to rate you, sir, no, boss, man, but wait there. 100,000. Oh, yeah. You're a good boss, man. I watch you. Oh, listen, man, I'm going to look for piss and come, man. You see it? Don't move, you know. I'm going to piss and wash, man, I'm just going to take out them, man. Ah. The boss here away from the butcher, no.
Here I go.
Turning up the feet. Never take the good last time more. Bossy. Yo, come back to the piano.
hey, and I get your money.
No? Oh, let me get it heavy. Respect your boss, man. Not respect all the time. But wait. After the video on the ball field and the man tell me say 100,000, I read the 100 and the man get him pay. 2 months the man work for the dog and 100 dog. No man the man like sad dog, no dog. Your boss man. Bossy. I'm gone, the pay.
Then I get paid already.
Me not give me pay, say me I go wash me and piss. I'm pay the boss man.
Me dey get your pay.
How about you tell me boy give me, I'm pay the boss man. Yo, I'm me a try to tell you.
Yes, sir, you get the pay already.
I want me boss and push to me. I want you to push to me and pay enough. Dog, you know say what you have me do some work dog. 2 months, you know. And the boss not pay me.
A lie.
Show my you right now, say kill more, I go kill my youth.
So how much money do you forget?
100,000 dog.
A lie. Where's your mommy? So before I get for Christmas, you know. Hold it there, me a fall.
Ah. You know what time it is?
Yeah, man. Give me phone, Vince. Give me phone now. Respect. I'm on there. Come on, phone, brother. Come on, phone.
I'm gonna give back your phone.
No, brother.
I'm gonna give back your phone.
No, brother.
I want back. I what? Come back. Boy.
Hello, man. Hello, me give a friend keep my friend my phone me keep judge you mother call me and you know want give me back you know.
Boy, let your friend and take your phone.
Oh man, where you gone?
Right behind you.
Come.
Young boy,
Yes.
the phone is being taken
Bye. Who?
by your friend.
What is his name?
Not the one that you give.
Oh.
It's Leroy's son, the last bachelor. Now, behold. Power juice, no more than 2 sips. Net with 675 milliliter. This power juice allows the person to take the phone to turn into anyone. Yeah.
Allah.
He turn into you and go to your friend and take your phone, young boy. Yes. But if you want to find out more of this power juice, you'll have to sip it. But I find it, you have to pay me.
I will pay you when I get money.
Okay. 2 sips. No more than 2 sips. 1, 2.
But wait, I'm turning Alex.
Yeah, it is true, and now you will see the ultimate power. Yes, and now you're going to see the ultimate power of the juice. Send me this juice. Shish, wash, shish, wash. Juice now. You see what the juice is power to do? Anyone who drinks it in a snap, they can be here. Now I control him. Come to me. Bring the phone back. Bring the phone back. Come here. Don't say that. I will kill you. Bring the phone back. Bring the phone back.